Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we want to find the value of x, given that we have x to the power of 4 equals 16. Then let's have it to be solution. So when we have x to the power of 4, we can have 16 in base 2 at 2 to the power of 4. And so when we have something of this nature, we have different way of solving it. But one is glaring, that we can equate the base so far the power are the same, and we have it as x equals 2. But x equals 2 is not the only solution to this problem. To get other possible solution, because we must have 4 possible solutions, include complex solution as well. So from here we have x to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4. We let it to be equal 0. Then from here we have x to the power of 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 equals 0. 2 times 2 will give us 4. We have x to the power of 2 to the power of 2 minus this will be 4 in parentheses to the power of 2. We still have it to be equal 0. So when we have a square minus b square, we have this here as a plus b times a minus b. So we have it here as a will be equals x square, then b will be equals 4. So we are going to have it as x to the power of 2 plus 4 times x to the power of 2 minus 4 equals 0. Now for this expression to be equal 0, is either we have x plus 2, x to the power of 2 plus 4 equals 0, or we have x squared minus 4 equals 0. If you are to pick it, this as case 1, then we have it as case 2. So this will be x to the power of 2 plus 4 equals 0. This will be x to the power of 2 minus 4 equals 0. X to the power of 2 equals minus 4. Then let's square both sides. X will now be positive or negative root of minus 4. So we have x positive or negative root of minus 4 is root 4 times root of minus 1. We have x positive or negative. 4 is a perfect square of 2. 2 times I. Then from here, we can have this as a complex solution. Then coming to this place, we have x squared equals 4. Then square both sides, we have x to equals root of 4, positive or negative. We have x, 4 is a perfect square, then we have here to be 2. So we can now declare finally x1 equals 2, x2 equals minus 2, x3 equals plus 2i, x4 equals minus 2i. So these are the 4 possible solutions that we are expected to get for this particular problem. X to the power of 4 equals 16. And when we substitute everything, let's verify this first. We have 2 to the power of 4, when x equals to 2 equals 16. 16 equals 16. 2 to the power of minus 2 minus 2 in parentheses to the power of 4 equals 16 because of this even number. Here will be 16 equals 16. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos.